Hello and welcome to another demo of the Paragraphs Bundles. My name is Alahaddad and I'm the developer of the Paragraphs Bundles module. And today we are going to talk about Alert Bundle. Quick recap, Paragraphs Bundles, it's the upgraded version for the W3 CSS paragraph. And you will need two contrib modules, paragraphs and field group. And I have all this download and available on my local. And I'm gonna now the first step, I'm enabling this bundle, and it will ask to enable the parent, and I say yes. And I'm gonna create two blocks, two paragraphs bundles for this one. First of all, I have a content type, and it has a paragraph field. This one to print the paragraph, the one I want on this page. So I need to add alert, title, and I'm adding just a symbol inside it. That's the alert bundle. And what's inside the alert actually, if you work with the other bundles, they're exactly pretty much under this one. There's the content and the display. There are the 13 fields plus one. This is show close button because the alert, let's say first and then see. So this is the alert bundle. It comes as a message, like when this is exactly very much what it is. It comes as a message. You click and you close it, and that's what it is. So it's a message. If you click, you close it, but if you refresh, it comes again. That's the message it has. So whenever you refresh the page, it comes. So if you click here, edit, and go inside the alert, and as I said before, blue is the parent, green is the child. And if you click the display and you uncheck this one, sometimes you don't want the user to dismiss this message. You want this message all the time showing for the user. So that's where it is, where the user cannot click to close it. So this is one way of printing this message, and it's very straightforward. The bundle, same thing. It has all the default. You could add background, color, text, radius, all the stuff. So the second question I have, what if you want to print this bundle in a region? So here, you add it here inside this one. In order for you to do that, you will need to add, so I'm gonna have to enable another module, a bundle, the paragraph bundle content. So I'm just going here, and this one require other one. I'm enable them, and then I'm going to add the first example. I added paragraph inside a page. The second example, I'm adding a paragraph inside a block. So structure and content, and then blocks, and then you add content inside block. This is the default. This is what you get out of the box with Drupal. This is the custom block I have. So you click on this one, you add a title, and then you add a paragraph, just like what we did in the page. And then you're gonna pick alert, and you do the same steps here. You could add a title, you could add a symbol, an image. Let's add an image, for example, or something like that. That's the whole idea. It's just you have power to add any thing inside this one. And also here in the display, also show or close. So let's save, and this is the name of it, to structure block layout. So if you wanted to add it, you could add it to the header, you could add it to the all these are the regions in the theme. But this module was built in mind while I'm building the solo theme. this theme, and I build a region, a specific region for this bundle to work, because usually you see the message alert, it's on the top of the site. Like when you go visit any site, you usually see the message here on the top or something. And at the same time, sometimes you want the message to show on the home page only. You don't want the message to show on any pages. You just want it to show on the home page. A good example, actually, I have this message exactly in the demo site here. This is the message I have. And if you click here, and that's the message. I'm using exactly the same method here. So if I go here and I'm just gonna, you could print it, let's print it first inside the default theme. So I'm gonna add the block. Let's add it where? Add it in the highlight. Edit highlight second. Here is this one. I'm just gonna let's leave the title so you can see exactly. And if I click, here is, and there is the X. That's it. So this is if you're not using the solo theme, but if you're using the solo theme, let's go enable the solo theme. I go to structure block layout, and I have, this is the region, the special one, and I add, if I add this one inside it, and I go save, and if I go to appearance setting, solo, for this, the setting for this region, and if you look to this region, it has also the option. So this region has extra feature. If you want to make this region visible on all pages, home only, not home page, all pages except home. So if you want it to be on the home page only, click save. I'm just waiting, and then I'm gonna refresh this one. So here's the message. This is the home page only. So if I go to contact, I don't see it anymore. But if you go to the home page, here it is. That's what it is. So that's the bundle, has all the default. I hope you like the demo. See you in the next one.